What's up, guys? Today we're gonna replace the low beam on this BMW F30 335, and I think it's pretty easy. So as you can see, that low beam is just not on. So we're gonna fix that, and we're gonna start by removing this little wheel well tab, which you're definitely not going to be able to see until we get some light in there. So, you know, pry down on these two tabs, remove that little cover, there's your light bulb. To remove this part, we're gonna wiggle down this little connector so it comes out, and then just kind of get that out of the way. And then there's these little tabs. My phone in there. There's these little tabs, and the new one is in. I just need to plug the harness. If I can get it. Yeah, big hands are not great for this. And we're good. New headlights in. Let's see if it works. Power. Nice. They are definitely different colors. So, I'm going to swap the other one too. But dust cover back. Dust cover doesn't wanna thread in. Just wants to be a pain. So, while I struggle with this, what? Look at this. Hold on. But it doesn't want to. Being a pain. Oh. Nice. Alright. That's back. Dust cover's back on. Headlight works. Mud guard. Two tabs on, and that's it. Easy. Sort of. There's these little tabs right here that we push down. And slide to the left. I don't know what orientation to hold the phone, so I'm just gonna push down and slide to the left, which will then release this clip. And then you should just be able to wiggle the light bulb out of the housing. Like so. And now we have our dead bulb. It looks pretty used. So then I got this new D1S light bulb. Who the hell knows? Oh, they give you gloves. You don't get them all oily and your bulbs burn out prematurely. So I'm gonna stick my big paw in there. Same. Yep. I think they're the same. Anyway, I'll reinstall. Yeah, it's kind of shove it back in there. And just like that. So how about this one? Xenon low beam. Pretty easy to install. Tight spaces aren't the greatest though. Yeah, and that's how you fix it.